Brother Libert. I hope your day is going well. So when I'm in my website, I just added a few things. But then when I come down here to this module, I think it's just a text module. You can make it a paragraph or whatever. I think I'm still not really super familiar with this new version of the Divi Builder. When I start to type anything, like, I get these weird pop-ups, especially with O and H and a couple of things, and I wasn't sure what this was for a little bit. I've seen this before, obviously, but I couldn't remember what this was for a little bit. And then if I do a slash, I get like a list of all the shortcuts, and apparently O opens the page settings, H opens window history, and which these are all great shortcuts, but it's really annoying when I'm trying to type something and like home, and then I all of a sudden can't use the keyboard at all because the shortcuts keep popping up and I can't do anything. Anyway, I don't know if this is something that you're more familiar with, or if you know of a way to turn them off, at least for a little while. If you know of any good videos to help me figure out the Divi Builder, that would be super helpful. If not, that's okay, I'll keep figuring it out. Thank you!